Hello guys, Rakman. So I want to show you something. What is very nice. So guys, this is my new Yamaha. Was it 250? I don't know if it's a 250F. Please say something down below. And yeah. So yeah. So 2-stroke. Look at that big pipe, guys. That big pipe. Look at it. Ish. It's very nice. And here's my brother, Crazy Games. So guys, as you can see, I'm not tippy toes. So yeah, 2-stroke. So yeah, clutch, brake, gas, there's the thingies. So I'm not gonna start it, but I just want to show you guys. So if you're gonna ride it, 2-stroke, it's a power band. Clutch in, first is down. Okay, it's in neutral now. It's in first. Then when you go, little bit of gas, but I'm not gonna give gas. If you want to idle it, let it go, let it go. Okay, it's idling. Okay, imagine it's idling. So it's idling. If you want to shift up. Second, let go of the pedal, and yeah, it's idling, it's idling, it's idling. When you come to stop, third gear, idling. Oh, it wants to run dead. Clutch in, then you're idling. Second, first. When you come to stop, neutral in the middle. Now it's in neutral, see? So guys, thanks for watching. And yeah, okay, something I want to show you guys. And please, say something down below to let me know. Guys, so a comparison. Look, it stands on its own, like this. It's leaning to, no. Then if I put the Buxton back, of course it stays like this. Please, say something. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Peace.